Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in Faridabad city, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with the best 3D scanning solutions in the area. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they are revolutionizing the way we capture and reproduce objects in 3 dimensions. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly the leader in the field of 3D scanning services, and they have established themselves as the go-to company for all your scanning needs. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from the competition is their commitment to excellence and their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. That's why they offer a wide range of services to cater to the specific needs of their clients. Whether you need 3D scanning for industrial applications, product design, or even for medical purposes, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is comprised of highly skilled professionals who are experts in their field. They have years of experience in 3D scanning and have worked on countless projects, delivering exceptional results each time. Their attention to detail and precision ensures that every scan is accurate and of the highest quality. You can trust them to capture even the most intricate details with utmost precision. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their prompt and reliable service. They understand that time is of the essence, especially when it comes to product development or industrial applications. That's why they strive to deliver quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. With their efficient processes and cutting-edge technology, you can expect your scans to be completed in a timely manner. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Faridabad city, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. When it comes to 3D scanning, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the forefront of the industry, providing exceptional services that are unmatched in quality and precision. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they are able to capture even the finest details with utmost accuracy. Whether you require 3D scanning for architectural purposes, industrial applications, or even for creative projects, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from other scanning services is their commitment to excellence. They go above and beyond to ensure that each scan they deliver meets the highest standards of quality. Their team of experts utilizes the latest scanning techniques and equipment to ensure that every detail is captured with utmost precision. With their advanced technology, they are able to create highly accurate and detailed scans that can be used for a variety of purposes. From product design and development to virtual reality and animation, Scon